Hi Saints! In this video we will go over how to merge profiles with the numbers recording system. So once you log in, you just simply click on take attendance and you will notice there is a list of names under here. Sometimes you will take attendance and two similar profiles will pop up. So for example, if I typed in Sarah, okay, now there is a Sarah Wong and a Sarah with no last name, but they're both Carmen's friend, both college saints, and they're in the same district. Very likely that they're the same person, but was made two profiles accidentally by different saints. So in this case, what you want to do is you can merge the two profiles after you have confirmed that these two are indeed the same person. And the way to merge is just click this red button on the side here, and the profile that will be deleted would be on this side, and then you can select the other person that you want to merge with. Okay, so it'll show you this one here. Okay, so you compare the info, and yet this is confirmed, they're the same person, and then you just click merge personal profile. Now if you for some reason would rather delete this profile and keep this one, then you can just simply click here, this orange button, and it will swap the two profiles. So then this one would be deleted instead of the other one. Okay, and then you just merge. Okay, and now if you type in Sarah right here, you see that they have merged the profile. There's only one Sarah Wong now, and they even put the name of the two profiles with a slash button so that you can see it's the same person. Okay, now one thing I want to point out here is once the profile is deleted and merged, this action cannot be undone. So you want to really double confirm that these two are indeed one person. And once you confirmed, then you can merge. But if for some reason you merge the personal profiles and then you realize, oh, actually there are two different people, please contact the system administrator as soon as possible. Okay, great. If there's any questions about this, you can once again contact the system admin or the responsible serving brothers in your locality. Okay, thank you, Saints.